Hey friends, it's Jess. Thanks for coming to the channel. I know I've been doing a lot this past 2 weeks. I was sick. I'm since recovered, feeling much better. Thank you for the well wishes. But I just want to say that I did get, you guys saw the last video I did. I showed you guys all the storage that I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to be using this one with this kit from Dreamer Designs. So this is my first unboxing from Dreamer Designs, but I got so excited about trying to get it kitted up before I start work again this year. And I unboxed everything. Then I was like, why didn't I talk about it? Because I've never unpacked from Dreamer Designs. So I wanted to show you guys what I got in this really like scattered unboxing because it's literally already out. So this is my first kit from Dreamer Designs. So I have no idea how the drills are going to be. I did get a kit that has round drills. You can't see on here, but it just, so this is a Dreamer Designs box. Has a little handle here, which makes it nice. But I won't be carrying this, so I mean, it's nice if it was in the store, I guess. I don't know. It has a handle. Has holographics on the box, and it says DIY Premium Diamond Canvas Kit, Paint with a Passion. So let me just show you the one I got. So I'm just gonna put it right out there. I picked up this one. I know you're not seeing the whole thing. It's called Parrot Priestess. And, oh my God. So I unboxed it. And it's just, the colors were amazing. So I'm super excited about this one. The face is humongous. That's my hand. It is on a 60 by 60. Which is 23.6 by 23.6 inches. The details, the bird, and then look at her hands at the bottom. So nice. I'm super excited. I'm just going to share the kit really today because I do have some stuff that I ordered on Etsy that's on its way. So when it comes, when I do like a whip and chat with that, I'll share that info with you. I am going to be kitting it up into this, and then I'm going to be using some cover minders and other stuff from two shops from Etsy. It does come with a sticker sheet with a start and end date, which I don't really use. I use my phone to like tell me when I started and ended things. This kit has 61 colors. It has, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. 6 ABs. Super excited about those. I cannot wait to start this kit. And then it has a little pamphlet. Paint with Passion is their motto. Thanks for your purchase. How to do it. 15% off your next purchase with a coupon code, and how to do it. And that's all in this little pamphlet right here. Like I said, I took everything out already. Sorry. I was super excited to get started, and I was like, why did I film this? So, I'm going to turn this over when we pull out the drills, but I do want to show you the little bag. So my bag has a little hole in it, but that's just, it didn't come that way. So it comes with, oh, this bag is super soft. The back of the canvas is really soft too. A bag of baggies, a divider, I guess, if you want to use more than one color in your tray. I don't really do that. 2 squishies, a multi-placer. This I heard is really good with picking up ABs, and there's a ton. I find that more it's the wax that I have the issue with, but the wax I've been using has been pretty good, so I'm excited about that. I don't think I'm going to have any problems with that. It comes with a tweezer. It's Sharpie. It's sharp. It comes with this big tray, which is the tray size I'm used to. The tray has little purple sparkles in it. I'm sorry, it has gold glitter, not purple sparkles in it. 2 things of wax, 2 pots of wax that have 1 pot each of wax. Okay. All right, so that's what's in the little bag, like your toolkit. I'm going to show you the drills. Okay. So when I turned this over, I saw that there was a little bit of a river back here, so let's investigate that. It might just be how I had it wrapped up. Yeah, it's just how I had it wrapped up. It's plenty sticky. There's no problem with it. So I'm just going to release that by taking off and just letting that release. And then just sliding it back. And perfect. It just has an air bubble. It's not anything permanent. And plus, not for nothing, the way I diamond paint, I normally, when it's a big canvas like that, like this, we'll start at the top. So this part down here at the bottom, you can't see, but at the bottom will get creased because I'm leaning on it. I don't roll it up. I have it underneath my desk. So, it will probably get creased anyway, but I never have any issues with it. Junior Designs has their drills and heat seals baggies like everyone else. Let's investigate, because like I said, I've never unpacked from them before, so let's just see how it looks, like on how the drills look. So it looks like we have the number from the kit and the DMC number on the bag, so that's nice. Pretty. They look sparkly, that's one thing. Static, ugh. That's gonna kill me later. I will be kitting up in this storage container. This kit by Mikey Bergman, Parrot Priestess, has 61 colors. And this kit has 60. So I'm just gonna have an extra. Okay. And there's only like a couple of these packs that look like they have multiple. Like this one right here, 310. I'll just refill it. I'll use only 1 per. And I'll just have an extra, I'll just use an extra one from all of my bins to put in here, just hanging out really. The colors look really nice, very vibrant. I'm excited that they're rounds. I just finished a round kit. Like I said, so my goal, like I was saying in my last video, my goal for vacation time was to finish 3 kits. Definitely not start to finish. So I finished Collide, which was from Diamond Art Club, and I finished a partial from Diamond Dots, which I'll show you guys at the end of this video. I made a kit for a friend for the Eagles, and then I did the Christmas wreath. So those were my 3 that I finished. Wait, so Collide? So that I did 4. I did 3 plus a small project, like off the canvas project. 2 of them were, wait, the wreath, the partial. Oh, what I did, I'm sorry, I did another one. Oh my goodness, so wait, I finished Collide. So that's a finish. And then I did a start and finish, which was the one I got from Etsy. I did basically a finish for the wreath, and then I did a start and finish for a gift, and then I did the partial. So I did 5 basically from the end of December on. I was determined. So, so yeah, oh, look at these ABs. These are pretty. Super pretty, vibrant colors. And this last little bit. Ooh, look at that blue. I really want to see where that blue goes. is 60. Is a down arrow. Let's investigate and see where this goes. So, really lovely colors. Looks really nice. I like the packaging. I am concerned about the static. Look at the static here. Ooh, a little more. There is a lot of static with these, so I'm gonna go and get a dryer sheet. I'm not even gonna mess around because I know it's gonna happen. And I'm not gonna kit these up tonight, even though I wanted to, but now I'm recording a video. There's no time because it's actually almost 2 o'clock in the morning. And I work tomorrow, but I'm so out of schedule for, you know, just being on vacation for like, you know, like a week. But then I was sick for like 3 days before, so I missed work. So I've been really out of it. So, oh my gosh, all the blue is like up here. Is some of it in her hair? It's more like up here in this flower. Sorry, let me just look. So there's in her eyes is the blue AB. Some in her face, like there's a tattoo on her face. So some of the tattoo has the blue ABs, which is a very striking color. A little bit on the bird or no? Then we have the weirdest sign. It looks like then these orange bits that you see, those are all ABs, orange bits. So the number 2. Over here in the clouds, that is AB. Some on her chin, highlighting her chin. On her nose here, the tip and up here, is that AB. In the flower here is the purple AB. Around his face, the parrot's face, or the parrot's face. Down at the bottom, that bright orange, that's also AB. Yeah, so that's, I mean, just the colors are so striking. I'm super excited to do this kit. I'm probably going to kit this up tomorrow and get it started tomorrow night. The box only has 60 little jars. I'm just going to throw an extra one in there from another one that I have. I don't think I'm going to do any additional enhancements because I really want to test out these gels by themselves. And since there's so many ABs, there's 6, you know, I don't feel like there needs to be any more. These are the ABs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's very colorful. Perfect for this time of year because where I live, it's not that colorful. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. This is a super quick one because, like I said, I already took it out. And, you know, it's just gorgeous. I can't wait to get started on it. I'm excited about all these purples and pinks and the tattoo on her face. It's just, ugh. Alright guys, so I will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching my first unpacking of Dreamer Designs kit. This one again is called Parrot Priestess. And I'll be doing some whip and chats with this kit. Okay, bye guys.